Hey fam, it's your girl Princess. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. Happy New Year. Happy 2018. So I just want to wish everybody a happy, healthy, and prosperous new year. Okay. I have some food and I'm ready to eat. So I've been craving this meal. This is just this is a piece of a king crab leg. Okay, and this is just Dungeness crab, just a piece. I was just craving a little bit of it. Okay, so this is my crab leg that I will be eating. And I also made some rice, and I just put it in here. This is just garlic rice that I'll be eating along with it. I have in here, this is the butter I use, and I had a little bit in the container left, so I just used the container to melt the butter. And I have a little bit of Old Bay, so I'll be having that. And actually, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of the Old Bay inside of here. Not too much, but I'm just going to sprinkle it. I melted the butter, and I put some garlic in the butter also. So I'm going to put that to the side. And I have a lemon. Okay, start eating. Move this out of the way. Move that so you can see it. And the rice, I'm going to eat some rice, some garlic rice. I've been craving this meal for the longest time. Just got a crab leg. And these crab legs were, I love crabs. They were, it was really good. $9.99 per pound at my local supermarket. This is so good. With the rice. I don't have any thing to cut open the crab with, because I don't eat them that much. I like crabs. I just don't have them a lot. So delicious, T-Fan. I want to get a nice piece out. But, oh, here we go. Here's a piece. Look at that. Look at that. And the Dungeness crab is sweet. It's like a sweet taste to it. Let's try this one. This is the king crab. I only got a little piece of this one. This was $24.99 a pound. Kind of pricey. But like I said, I only had a little taste for it. So that's why I bought it. I'm gonna get the meat out of here. I'm using my teeth to crack it open. Like I said, I don't have a cracker to open it up with. And with the king crab legs, they have like sharp, pointy ends, so you gotta be careful you don't cut yourself. But T-Fam, I see why this is $24.99. And in one of my other supermarkets in my area, this was $29.99. So $30 a pound. It's a lot of money. But, you know, I guess it's something you do to treat yourself. You don't do it all the time. And I'm pulling the meat out I wanted to pull out a whole piece, but I'll take what I can get. Just pure goodness. It's all shredded up. This is so good. Some rice. I remember growing up, we used to buy the little crabs. The ones that come in a bushel. A bunch of them and just eat them. I think they were like $1 a crab. But so good. And this rice is so good. So, I know there's only a few days into the new year, but how's everybody's New Year's been going? I'm not one for setting New Year's resolutions. I just don't really do it. But I do set goals throughout the year because I believe that you don't have to have, you know, wait for a new year to change something in your life. You can do that at any point in your life that you want. So, and that's what I do. If it's something I want to change in my life, I work towards it. And I don't have to wait for a holiday to change something. So I don't make resolutions. I just work on my goals. So I have some, almost forgot to use my lemon, T-Fam. Got some lemon. Let's get in. Let's finish eating the Dungeness crab. Okay. I can't. I'm using my teeth. So good. Oh, look at this piece of meat, T-Fam. Look at this. Oh, yes. Let me sprinkle some lemon juice on. Look at that. And let me dip it in the butter and garlic sauce. Let me hit it off with some rice. So amazing. Amazingly good. Oh, and I just have some French berry sparkling lemonade to drink. Sprinkle some lemon juice, sauce. I mean, butter sauce, sauce. Can't even say it. This is so good. They should sell crabs, and maybe they do. I just never seen it out of the shell already. Like pieces of the long pieces. I mean, crab in a shell is already expensive. So if they do the work for you, it probably will be a lot more money. But like I said, it's a treat. And in life, you have to treat yourself. That's my motto. Well, T-Fam, I just wanted to get on here, share my meal. I'm almost done. And this is so tasty. With the rice, it's so good. This is a jasmine rice that I got from Trader Joe's. This is everything I wanted. But this is a jasmine rice I got from Trader Joe's, and I just put some garlic and butter. I love garlic. I love garlic. I use it to season most of my food. But anyway, T-Fam, I just wanted to get on, wish everybody a happy new year, 2018, and share my meal with you. I'm gonna go. As you can see, I am almost done. And this was everything. This was so good. Oh, I hope everyone's having a beautiful and blessed day. Bye.